Yes, you get Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Help him connect. Come, may he connect Wi-Fi for you. Meet him. May he connect. Meet him. May he connect Wi-Fi. You dey mad.
Shout, can you guys? Guys, calm down now. You dey crazy.
I dey beg now.
Chat, is everything good? Is everything good?
Oh God, yeah.
Sir, Alpha, calm down. Let's go and meet him.
Yes, I don't have slippers. Is that how they teach you how to? E-money. The Ogvini. Money of the world.
Sir, we are sorry. Sir. Guy, bend down now. What did they do you now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are sorry.
Yes, sir. You did not give me cow.
Go, they punish you.
Sorry,
what
now.
What they do you now? You dey crazy.
I know say Peller go one beggar.
Yes, sir.
Guy, what they do you now? What they do you now? Guy, I'm not beggar now. You spend the month of finity because they misbehave.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't be Kcee.
I love this man. You fine die. They say maybe come. My dad may have come on his clothes. Yeah.
Hey, how do you collect my grace?
Yeah.
The truth be said.
Yes. You don't connect.
I know they happy.
Oh, God. When I get mad.
I know they happy. You know good. Less than 24 hours. You understand? You know? Now love. You understand? Now love. I mean, I don't see what you do since. It's something when I like. You know. Given that say that in fact, now sleeping tablet I take sleep.
Respect yourself first.
I love you so much, sir. They don't really
listen.
But you know, because a lot of people they watch, but then mistake don't happen. I beg, make such thing not happen again. I beg.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I beg. Where Yusuf? Yusuf no there.
One car for me.
Okay, Peller, they go make and give her one Corolla.
Yeah! Nalayo!
No go break a minute.
Peller, give me car! Peller. God, I spend my money. He spend my own motor. He spend my own motor, Shad. That is what spend my own motor. God, my own don't finish.
I will not agree.
Yes, sir.
Shut up!
I love you.
I go sign you.
What you bet? You know who you are.
Thank you,
I think about you.
God will bless you. God will bless you and Kcee. You will live long. No evil shall come against you shall prosper. Jesus.
Nigeria Christy Kailo.
Alpha.
No breaking.
If they break, I mean,
no content.
My boss. You don't break my motor. We are not see money.
why you want to break that?
We are not see money. You dey crash.
Not 50 glass.
You are not see money. Yeah, babe. You are not see money.
Mark it to me.
This guy don't spend my motor. Daddy.
I don't care.
Daddy spend my motor. Only you
don't give me car.
Only you want you go grow. Only you want you. Only you want you. This thing not go help for you. This thing not go help for you, Peller.
Just leave what they will say one fight.
My motor don't sweat. Peller don't call it. God, I don't die.
What they will say one fight. Say now bring 50 million.
Go punish you. Go. Me, I swear, I know they plan keep portable. Yeah, if they put portable, we could get the same stage.
Why don't they play? Say they bring another one.
Another one again for that.
For him.
For me now. For me. That's not say they go repair his glass.
Daddy, I know they confuse me for you.
Yes, sir.
They don't they confuse me for you. I swear, Daddy, the only nigga, I beg go see I'm Daddy, the only nigga is watching. No, why you I beg go. You deserve my own car, go to collect new one. You spend my car, go to collect new one. E-Money, they go travel this boy spoil my motor.
I'm keeping your children company outside his money.
This boy spoil my own motor.
I'm spelling for them. I'm not spelling for them. I'm spelling for them. I don't know if I go collect car. I swear. So I don't work. Yes, sir. I don't work down.
Does it not fair?
Shebi.
This illiterate. The girl asks you what is social study. What is social study?
Social. It's not social study.
Daddy, now you're picking over us. What is who is a citizen?
A citizen is a citizen.
Get out. Daddy, I know the grill. This boy spoil my own car. They come with my new car. I never get money to take repair that motor. They never see. Don't try it. I don't plan that. This boy spoil my motor.
So when I come see him, me out of excitement, I swear to God, I did not match his glass. I did not match it. I just climbed the car, and I come down. Not to do that time. Next time, I don't know what to enter the body. He just jumped on my car. Bella. Come punish him. Yes, sir. Now the manager be that to decide and he won't make you give him the other one. So anyone we wanna give him, now he go the driver. Now why?
Alpha, let me tell you something. Baba, no new car for me.
If I give a new car now, on the spoil am.
Hey. Me I go collect something. Daddy, I go collect something. Bella, don't think don't call me. Don't say one collect something they go.
See you want.
Daddy, people go vex. So daddy, people go vex. This boy spoil my motor. You think you have motor?
I don't follow.
Now lie yo.
I love you, Dad. I reach outside, they tell me say, you get it. TV Rolls Royce, I want cleaners. I say, how? TV Rolls Royce.
This boy. I swear, this boy motor go. I swear to God, if they don't give me anything for you, I go spoil your motor. Better with me. Better with me. You spoil my motor. You want come on here. You know. Who won't pay for my repair?
No, they don't pay him. No,
Peller get money.
They don't repair him now.
No fast repair my motor. This Peller is a bad person.
Daddy wants us.
They say me we sit down. My network. Sit down.
Won't come here, just come carry free motor. You spoil my motor.
Let if you don't go there.
You the craze.
Get it. That one is better. He's making billions now. Yes, right now. We tell you that happening here. Billions is entering that. Billions.
What is your problem? Is that you want to just spoil my career?
No, I just want to start.
You didn't know E-Money before? I brought you here.
Yes, I got check price. E-Money, come and start.
For streets. I ain't carry you come.
Yes.
God bless him. Now I talk say a week for me.
Wait now, I need a talk.
You know my person for your life.
Wait.
Normally for streets, I ain't carry you come here. You don't come.
It is so
I ain't carry you come here to come back.
My beg can't turn to car.
The beg don't turn to car.
Now why God is great.
Well, God is great, Abi.
It is on our
See, Daddy, on a video just talk something. Wait now. Wait. Alpha, wait. Daddy,
allow me.
Daddy, if they don't want any issue for this online, if they don't want me this Peller motor catch fire, if they don't want me I swear to God who made me. Better come down, you spoil my motor.
There's a sign undertaking.
Undertaking.
Don't sign on that.
Yes, anybody wants to go.
No, that's why I go collect money for come on here. That's why I got collect money.
Bring money for us. Calm down.
Bro. No, you don't get car. No worry. No worry. Everywhere good.
You know say our
glue the
I
match.
sleep on the
Yes, now when we do the burn things together, when I burn your motor, you make our game.
burn that car, but
I swear to God, it will shock you. I swear to our glory match.
We could do something else.
We'll jam our motor together.
No, we know they talk about car. It come for all this issue.
No
you
worry.
know the year word.
I know the year
This
word.
problem I dey get with you.
Quiet your mouth.
You not calm
You
down.
come here, come carry my glory, collect motor, you get crazy.
There's some great there.
Cat, I know. Daddy, cat, they say man no gree o. People they vex. Peller destroy my motor, they give a new motor.
They say congratulations to Peller.
God go punish you.
They are saying congratulations.
God go punish you.
My camera now, the network wrong, I don't see me again. So you are making money. Everybody that is in my side have come here already.
You should say I'm
Let me
making.
go outside.
How far you
Let's
wait
money.
now?
Let's go outside. My first is outside. See your mic. Yeah. No be my mic.
You're my slippers. Okay, you don't forget my mic, Abi. Ogu go kill you.
I don't die.
Jesus. Yes. Pella, you know the Pella, Jesus.
Where my phone?
Now the same motor where Pella swear be this so. Now the same motor where Pella swear be this. No. Now the same motor where Pella.
Now me get am.
Pella.
Yeah, congratulations.
Pella, you swear my motor collect new one. Pella, you swear my own collect new one. Pella, you swear my motor collect new one.
They will give you. They say they will give you something.
See, I swear to God, you don't finish you. So, hey God, shout, I'm bossy cry. Shout, cry for me. Shout, W cry. Yoruba greediness. No worry. Everywhere good.
Zero tribalism. One Nigeria.
Now, what's the best you talk?
No. One Nigeria.
Yes. Jesus. Alpha, Moku come outside. Moku come outside.
Una go do undertaking o.
Daddy, I know we know they do undertaking.
Una go do undertaking o. Una no go scatter anything again o.
This boy my motor dey repair place.
Una go fix am. Yeah. Because this encouragement una suppose appreciate am. If I hear say
E-Money. See life where I come. I never see person like before. See, I swear to God. Yes, sir. What are you doing? Are you a musician?
I'm a dancer.
See this boy.
I'm a DJ.
No go spoil am. No spoil it for music.
I swear to God, you don't finish it.
No spoil am. No spoil am.
You know it's good for you.
Come out, be your car. Come out.
we need to hack off you can't have no go spoil AC.
So you know that they pursue me for your motor. After you spoil my motor. Daddy, if I don't see any money for you, if I come out for you, I know they come out for you. I swear to God who made me. If I don't see my money for repair, I know they come out for you. Life.
No way. Come on there.
No way.
I'm a poor boy, Abi. I'm a poor boy, sharp.
Leave there, stop.
Don't please.
He can use his bomb and scratch it. I don't believe.
Are you mad?
Yes.
Come on.
I don't believe
We
you.
will not trust.
He can do it and he don't press her.
But I can trust you with my car.
You did not trust
when you spray my car yesterday.
Do you let me drive it?
Alpha, more they go.
Come, hold on now, you are looking.
The visa they joke. The visa they joke. Daddy.
See people when they follow each other.
This boy spoil my name. This boy spoil my name yesterday.
Now, on a serious note, you know what E-Money tried you now?
Yes.
Give me your phone.
He tried to encourage you now again.
Okay.
More listen.
No, be my phone.
He tried to encourage you now again. Me, I don't even know saying go give Pella this car. So on a serious note, Nigerians and the whole world they watch. Wanna no use this opportunity play again.
Listen.
Now encouragement.
Because a lot of people they look up to now.
I know how many people don't call us where they cry say then go value this thing part. Before on reach in the verse, you know how many minutes me and so take inside, take talk to her. Make him come outside. You understand? On a serious note, even this one guys that will hold camera, if they give them this car, then go appreciate them too.
Don't believe.
You understand? So I don't want you to say una spoil anything again. Make una redo una streaming, they go na encouragement be this. You understand? I use God name beg you. You go get something to fix your car.
God bless you, sir.
I don't say una don't they fix them, but you go still get something.
Fix them.
But I don't want you to say they scatter even tumbler.
Supreme,
I use God beg you now.
I love this setup.
Supreme, thank you for the song.
This setup.
Supreme, thank you for the song.
Life. I love this thing.
Kata, behave yourself. I'm behaving myself. Shout, I'm behaving myself. They are calling Topsy.
We go carry him.
I beg. Money won't give me money. Now, if I slap your face, pounds, your motor don't come.
Somebody say pounds.
Jesus Christ.
Motor. See how this motor they talk. The whole light inside, guys under the chair. Jesus.
You don't put up Jesus, my toto is crashing me.
God bless you.
Go, pounds. Pounds. God will bless you, sir. Anything that you are looking for, you will see it. The only thing that you need is pounded yam. Hey, God. Double use. Jesus. My hide the money.
I don't see any day where I see you.
My hide the money. Wait, they're crazy. They follow me the entire.
I deal with you.
Alpha.
Then I hope Soso Berekete. I'm with him, guys. I'm with Soso Berekete. Everybody, now you that they target it. Oh, Soso Berekete, guys. I don't do it. Don't worry, don't believe.
Very stupid boy.
You got the car money for that corner. Give me fuel money. Oh yeah, give me fuel money. Calm down. Give me fuel money. Don't do me like this.
Alpha, no. Put your hand for yesterday. God is good. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you too. I'm happy.
If you did do like normal like this, I would people do more business.
You give me select clothes. How you do like that? I tell you now.
He say myself, I know the letter. I guessed him today, but I quit that.
Don't go.
God, I'm dead.
Come,
Jesus.
Target. Sir, God will bless you. I saw the pounds. I counted with my head, but I changed that to Naira.
You don't know press calculator.
I the Oreo.
Last bill,
You say?
now the highest pounds be that.
Last bill. See, Daddy.
Like I should get 1K.
Daddy.
50-50.
Daddy,
hey, God don't bless you.
Daddy, I count on God don't bless you. You guys will be, you will continue to be successful.
Money.
Amen.
God will bless you.
Jesus
May you not
Christ.
die. May you not die. You will live long. You will live long. Past the age where you touch, you will come out. You go.
Good help.
Shout. Everybody are happy. Jesus Christ.
God bless you guys.
Mona no cause trouble.
No. That, you see, I beg. You know what? Shout, I beg. Come. Go there. Daddy, wait. Go back. Come on there. You play. Sorry.
Where's cameraman?
Sorry.
I go
Daddy,
need you for.
Daddy, come.
I need to put my cameraman. Why you do like that?
Alpha. Oh yeah. Shout.
Thumbnail for you too.
Make a screenshot.
Thumbnail for you too.
Yes.
Really. So very good.
Do I make it straight? Where?
Oh, great.
Good. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Yes, sir. God bless you.
God bless you.
Congratulations.
God bless you.
Where the king now?
Jesus Christ.
Where the king bring it?
Don't please.
This time, where the king now? Now you.
Shot. Don't please the fucking shot.
You won't carry my.
Don't please the fucking shot. Jesus Christ. You.
Now two.
No, I will present that to you too. I will present that to you.
God more kiss.
Ma present that to you.
God bless. Give it to me by your hand. You get glory. Give me.
This boy are very useless.
100. This one. Give her. You don't carry my.
Take. Ma give you.
Thank you, sir. Take you.
Don't please.
100.
Double the fucking shot. Hey, God, we outside. E-Money and Kcee, you guys are blessed. I love you guys. May stop playing every day for life. Limpopo, Kcee, 5-star music to the fucking world. We outside. Come on. I love you. Let's go. Jesus, no breaking. Jesus.
Where me drive my car? Where my car?
Jesus, I beg you.
I drive my car. Go outside.
God bless me.
Simon. Also, very good. Now they don't party for see that
bless me. God bless you. Alpha.
Gigas, God bless you. Man, where my car? Where my car? Yeah, don't my phone and go car. Don't semo. Don't touch him, Wale.
You be like,
my follow. Oh yeah, the driver they come. Guys, so super Alpha, hold it. Super